Stop ignoring that morning stiffness in your hands and knees. Scientists have discovered a nighttime repair switch that most people over 50 completely overlook. Imagine applying just a few drops of a specific oil and letting it eat away your inflammation while you sleep. It's not magic, it's a biological hack that mimics your body's own healing system. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which oil destroys joint pain and why your doctor might have never mentioned it. Don't go anywhere, because your first pain-free morning starts tonight. As we cross the age of 60, our body's internal repair shop naturally slows down. According to research published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation, our skin's ability to act as a barrier weakens significantly over time. This is why small evening habits suddenly matter more than they ever did in your 20s. During deep sleep, your growth hormone levels peak to repair damaged tissues and joints. Applying the right oils topically can actually assist this natural biological process. Let's start with Almond Oil, a powerhouse for aging skin. A study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology confirms that almond oil is packed with vitamin E and fatty acids that mimic human sebum. It penetrates deep into the dermal layers to lock in moisture that is usually lost during the night. But healing isn't just about what you put on your body. It's about what you put in it. To support your joints from the inside, try adding more ginger and turmeric to your evening meal. The Arthritis Foundation notes that these roots contain anti-inflammatory compounds that work similarly to ibuprofen. Simple movements, like gentle ankle circles or knee extensions before bed, also help circulate synovial fluid in your joints. If you struggle with extreme dryness, consider a magnesium supplement after consulting your doctor. Magnesium is known as the relaxation mineral and helps improve both sleep quality and muscle recovery. Next, we look at jojoba oil, which technically isn't an oil but a liquid wax. The National Library of Medicine highlights jojoba for its incredible ability to calm skin redness and irritation. Because its structure is so similar to our natural oils, your skin absorbs it almost instantly without feeling greasy. Beyond simple moisturizing, we must look at oils that actually communicate with your cells. Let's talk about vitamin E oil, a legendary protector against cellular oxidation. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that vitamin E is vital for reducing oxidative stress in aging tissue. When you rub this into your skin, it acts like a shield, neutralizing the damage from a long day. But remember, true joint health starts in the kitchen. Include blueberries and walnuts in your daily diet. The Harvard Health blog confirms that these superfoods are loaded with antioxidants that specifically target joint inflammation. Now, let's move to one of the most ancient and scientifically studied oils, frankincense. A study published in the journal Phytomedicine found that frankincense contains boswellic acid. These acids have the unique ability to block enzymes that cause swelling and pain in your knees and hands. Unlike over-the-counter creams, high-quality frankincense oil penetrates deep into the joint tissue. Many users report that their morning stiffness window narrows significantly after just 2 weeks of use. To boost this effect, try a simple 5-minute evening stretch while sitting on your bed. Gently stretching your hamstrings and calves improves blood flow to the lower back and knees. If you find the scent of frankincense too strong, you can mix it with a little jojoba oil. This combination creates a powerful anti-aging serum that calms both your skin and your mind. For those looking for extra support, glucosamine supplements are often recommended by experts to protect cartilage. Always ensure you are drinking enough water, as dehydration makes joint friction much worse. Coming up next is the #1 oil that performed as well as pharmaceutical drugs in medical trials. Now we reach the most important discovery for chronic joint pain: castor oil. For decades, this thick oil was hidden on pharmacy shelves, but modern science is rediscovering its power. About 90% of castor oil consists of a unique fatty acid called ricinoleic acid. A landmark study in phytotherapy research compared topical castor oil to a pharmaceutical anti-inflammatory gel. The results were stunning. The natural oil performed just as effectively for knee pain without any chemical side effects. This oil works by stimulating the lymphatic system to drain away the fluids that cause painful swelling. For the best results, warm the oil between your palms and massage it deeply into your aching joints. To amplify the healing, Place a warm cloth over the area for 20 minutes before going to sleep. While the oil works on the outside, make sure you are feeding your joints leafy greens like spinach and kale. The National Institutes of Health states that vitamin K found in greens is essential for maintaining bone and cartilage density. If you are looking for a natural supplement, omega-3 fish oil is a highly researched tool for reducing morning stiffness. Don't forget the importance of a low-impact evening walk to keep your joints lubricated and mobile. Consistency is your greatest ally. A few minutes every night creates a compounding effect over time. You deserve to wake up feeling like your body belongs to you again. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to the Wellness Path podcast and leave a like. We are here to help you take control of your health with honest, science-backed advice. Write "I remember" in the comments if you still believe in the power of natural healing. Thank you for watching, and take good care of yourself.